What's up, viewers? Today we'll be learning about the Voting Rights Act of 1965. Signed into law on August 6, 1965 by President Lyndon Johnson, it was an event piece of federal legislation in the United States that prohibits racial discrimination in voting. Rights 13, 14, 15, 24, and 26 were the amendments to this act. They all forbid racial judgment in voting. The 13th Amendment to the United States Constitution abolished slavery and involuntary servitude. It stated that neither slavery nor involuntary servitude, except as a punishment for crime whereof the party shall have been duly convicted, shall exist within the United States or any place subject to their jurisdiction. For example, blacks were slaves before the Voting Rights Act, meaning that they suffered physical abuse, used to plant, tend, harvest cotton, sugar, rice, and tobacco. And that's way worse than being grounded. The 14th Amendment stated that all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States. This meant that anyone born or naturalized in the United States was a citizen and had equal protection from the law. For example, the rights and limitations that other citizens had, you had, unless you're not a citizen, which will make no sense to why you are watching this video. Now, here we are with the 15th Amendment. This amendment stated that the right of citizens of the United States to vote shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or by any state of account of race, color, or previous condition of servitude. This meant that any citizen could vote and it could not be denied by the race, color, or opinion. This also meant that the black were finally able to vote in the U.S. Then came the 19th Amendment, which gave women the right to vote. Vocabulary alert. The phrase right to vote can also mean suffrage, not in any meaning of suffering, but suffrage, the right to vote. Now back to the 19th Amendment, which stated that the right of citizens of the United States to vote shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or by the state age of 18 or on an account of sex. This meant that women now had suffrage in the United States of America. Yay! No taxes in our votes, according to the 24th Amendment, which stated that the rights of citizens of the United States to vote in any primary or other election for president or vice president, for electors for president or vice president, or for senator or representative in Congress shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or any state by reason of failure to pay any poll tax or other tax. This meant that any citizen couldn't vote without dealing with any tax. Now finally, the 26th Amendment, which stated that the right of citizens of the United States who are 18 years of age or older to vote shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or by any state on an account of age. This changed the age from 21 to 18 to vote. Please leave a like and subscribe if you learned anything from today's video. Be sure to share and leave some feedback in the comments below.